Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here back at the laundromat. You seen us, we did the top scrub and we scrubbed the floors, cleaned them, getting these floors ready. We used the auto scrubber. You can see it's out there on the trailer right there. We got the auto scrubber. And so we did a top scrub. So we're doing a top scrub and recoat. We're only testing out the floor here for the owner. This is only one coat that we have on here. This is a Recoat Finish 101 that I'll be using. And as you can see, I have my shoes off because we already put the first coat on. And we got the fans down. So I'm going to put a second coat on here. He wants the floor to become shinier. So we're not going to say we're doing a difference. You can see from here to here the difference in the shine. Not just one coat. We're going to be putting 4 coats on here. So, all right, stay tuned. Well, let me actually stay tuned because I am going to apply some more here. We use the hygiene mop. Very standard. We just go out it across, applying an even coat. See, it's building up. So we want this coat to be nice and even. I'm actually going to put the phone down. It's hard to record. I want to get this even layer. All right, so we just put that layer. You see, we put that coat down as compared to right here, what it looks like. And we're going to continue this. We're going to do this 2 more times. We're going to allow it to dry, come back, do it again, allow it to dry, come back, do it again. All right, stay tuned. As you can see, I just applied the second coat on, and it is very shiny, but that is going to change once it dries. And we are going to put the air movers on. Speed up the process. Love the way it looks like that. We're gonna get this whole floor looking that way. This is just a second coat out of 4. All right, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. I done the floor finish in the high traffic area. We were just testing the finish to see if the customer liked the shine, and I think he's going to be happy with it. You can just take a look at the floor. It's not wet at all. This is all dry. It's completely dry. So, as you can see where I stopped at. Like I said, we're only testing the area, just showing them how to come out with the finish on there. And look at that. All right. Now we're gonna let this cure, and then we're gonna come back over it tomorrow afternoon. And once it is dry already, but we want it to cure, get hardened. And that's gonna take a couple hours. All right, stay tuned.